So on day 12, we have dark brown, and I'm going to be honest, I really wanted to do another cute girl because this is also a skin tone, but I just did one yesterday, so I didn't want to do a second one in a row, even though I had a really cool idea of doing a really dark-skinned woman in a sort of black Zulu type hat that flares out at the top, sort of reminiscent of that black outfit T'Challa's mother wears in the Black Panther movie, but I just couldn't do another person 2 days in a row, even though I really wanted to. I still really want to. So I had to think of something else that was this dark brown color. And the only thing that really came to mind was hot fudge, but I didn't want to do a hot fudge sundae. I thought it would be boring and plain, so I decided to do a chocolate cupcake instead. One of those black cocoa cupcakes, which is why the actual cake part is black, with white frosting and way too much hot fudge slathered on top. Oh, and then some more frosting on top of that, and a chocolate truffle bonbon thingy on top of that, because extra. Cupcakes are boring unless they are super extra. I threw a couple more truffle thingies on the little plate the cupcake is sitting on, just to get some more dark brown in there, and to give more contrast to the right side of the image, since that white cupcake liner against the white plate needed some separation. I'm still trying to separate colors as much as possible in these pictures. I really wish I had a third color to use on the cupcake liner, but oh well, it is what it is. Dark brown is check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.